Hello, I'm Professor John Bordeaux, and here we have a Flex Mendel 3D printer. We want to change the roll of filament out. Right now I have some pink filament in here, and I want to go to a purple roll. First thing we have to do is we have to turn on the 3D printer. The on-off switch is over here. Second thing we need to do is to preheat the PLA. This is PLA filament, polylactic acid filament. I want to press down on the knob. I want to go to prepare, roll the knob to prepare, press down, and I'm going to roll it down till I get to preheat PLA. I'm going to press the button on preheat. Now I can roll the knob back to the top of the menu where it says main and press it, and then I can press at the very top where it says watch. You'll see now over here, this will show the temperature of the PLA. While it's heating up, let's take a look at a few other things. Number one, we tend to get dirt that will accumulate in our PLA filament. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a little piece of like cloth. This is from like a white t-shirt, and we're going to use a binder clip, right? We're going to take an office supply binder clip and clip it over that, and it's going to clean that filament as we use it. That will help because that dirt gets down into the assembly and gets down into the hot end in the extruder, and it binds it up. So we want to keep that clean. Second of all, we're going to come over here to our reel, and usually we kink the reel when we have it in storage. This gets kinked up, and so we want to grab this and cut a new end. So I'm going to take a little wire clippers. I'm going to cut a new end, and I'm going to hold on to it. Don't wrap this around. We don't want this to get bound up as we are using this. Now that my PLA is heated up, I'm going to go reach over and the assembly here, the extruder assembly, unlock the cam. I'm going to take a pair of pliers, grab a hold of the filament, the old pink filament, and I'm going to pull it out. Now that it's pulled out, I'm ready to take the reel. I'm going to put the reel up on the reel holder. Okay? Be careful. You don't want the reel holder to fall onto the mirror. There's a little hole in front of the reel holder. We're going to go through that. We're going to bring it down. We're going to have a little hole down here in the extruder assembly. I'm going to place the filament down into it. I'm going to close the cam lever. It needs to be tight, but not super tight. And so I just push it all the way down, close the cam reel. I'm going to take my little piece of cloth. I'm going to wrap it around the filament above the plastic hole. I'm going to take my binder clip and click it on there. And now we're ready to have using some new color PLA, in this case purple filament.